Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda, and in this video we gonna talk about an issue of Snapchat. So if your Snapchat filters are not working, then this video is for you. Watch the video till end. So first of all, make sure that the Snapchat filters are enabled on your device. So first of all, open setting in my profile option of Snapchat, then under additional services tap manage and simply toggle filters on. The Snapchat filters also uses the location services, so make sure to enable it. To enable location in an Android device, open settings, go to location and simply turn on this option. And from the option of app permission, you can manage which app can use your location. And to enable location in an iOS device, open settings, go to privacy, go to location services and simply turn it on. And if still it's not working, then first of all reinstall Snapchat, restart your device and use it back. The Snapchat works on internet, so make sure to have a strong and stable internet connection. And due to some technical limitation, some lenses are not supported on older devices. And if still it's not working, then simply contact the customer support of Snapchat. So these were some ways by which you can easily fix your issue. I hope this video was useful to you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.